Hello student, welcome and very good morning to you. Today I will be discussing a DPP on superposition principle, that is DPP 5 of electrostatics. This video will be extremely helpful to those students who are preparing for NEET, Main, Advanced and West Bengal Joint. I hope you will understand this video. Please write a comment on this video because this comment will be extremely helpful for me to make the next video for you. Question number 1. ABC is a right angle triangle in which AB equal to 3 centimeter, BC equal to 4 centimeter and angle ABC is pi by 2. Three charges 15 ESU, 12 ESU and minus 20 ESU are placed at ABC. The force acting on B is. Now look at this. This is the right angle triangle. Okay. This is the A, this is the B and this is the C. Look at this here charge here. This is the 15 ESU, this is the 12 ESU and this is the 20 ESU negative. Okay, look at this. This is the 3 centimeter, this is the 4 centimeter. Okay, now look at this. The 15 ESU charge repel 12 ESU charge along this direction by the force of, look at this. This is the 15 into 12 divided by 3 square. Okay, now this equal to, this is the, look at this is a 5 into 2, so this is the 20. This is the 20 die. Okay, now look at this, the 20 ASU charge attract 12 ASU charge by the force along this direction. Okay, so this force, suppose this is the F2, this is the 12 into 20 divided by 4 square. So at this is the 15 dyne, no problem. Now this is the 15 dyne, this is the 20 dyne. So resultant force, this equal to, this is the 20 square plus 15 square. So look at this is the root over of 400 plus 2 to 5. So look at this, root over 6 to 5. So look at this is the 25 dyne is the resultant force. Look at this, option C is correct. Look at this, question number 2. Four charges are arranged at the corner of a square ABCD as shown in the adjoining figure. The force on the charge kept at the center is, suppose here Q0 charge present here. So look at this, 2Q charge repel Q0 charge along this direction. Look at this 4Q0, this is minus 2Q0 charge attract this charge along this direction. And here Q charge repel, now Q charge repel Q0 charge at center along this direction and this Q charge also repel. So look at this, these two repulsive force cancel out, but these two attractive force are added. Okay, so look at these options are. So force is directed along the diagonal BD. Look at this, question number 3. Electric charge 1 microcoulomb, minus 1 microcoulomb, 2 microcoulomb are placed in air at the corner A, B, C respectively on an equilateral triangle ABC having length of each side 10 centimeter. The resultant force on the charge C is, okay, look at it, this is the point A, this is the point B and this is the point C. Here charge, this is the 1 microcoulomb, here charge, this is the minus 1 microcoulomb and this is the 2 microcoulomb. Okay, now we have to calculate resultant force on the charge at C. Okay, now look at this, minus 1 microcoulomb charge attract 2 microcoulomb charge along this direction with the force. Look at this force becomes, this is the F equal to, this is the 9 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, into, this is the 10 to the power minus 6 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by distance of separation. Look at this, here distance of separation 10 centimeter, that is 0.1 whole square. So look at this. This is the 1.8 Newton. Now, this 1 microcoulomb charge repel 2 microcoulomb charge along this direction with a force of, look at this, this also 1.8 Newton. Now, the angle between the two forces is 120 degree. So, resultant force, look at this, suppose directed along this direction. As that these two forces are equal, so resultant force directed along the angle bisector of this. Okay, no problem. So this angle is 60 degree. Component of this force, this is the 1.8 cos 60, and component of this force along this direction, this also 1.8 cos 60. Therefore, net force, this is the 2 into 1.8 cos 60, this is the half. So look at the net force. So net force is 1.8 Newton. Option 2 correct. Okay. Now question number 4. Three charges, each of magnitude q, are placed on the corner of an equilateral triangle. The electrostatic force on, on the charge placed at the center. Look at this. Look at this. Here three charges are placed. Okay. Look at this. Suppose this is the charge q, this is the charge q, this is the charge q. Due to three charges, the electric field at the center is zero. So charge placed at the center is also, so force expressed by the charge at the center is also zero. So look at this, option 1 correct. Look at this question number 5. Three charges are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side A as shown in the following figure. The force expressed by the charge placed at the vertex A in the direction normal to the BC. In a direction normal to the BC. Now look at this. Here minus q charge attract charge at A along this direction. Look at this. Here plus q charge repel this charge along this direction. And this force of attraction repulsion same. So resultant force is directed along this direction. Okay. So force directed normal to the BC is 0. This option 3. Now look at this question number 6. Equal charges Q are placed at the four corners ABCD of a square of length A. The magnitude of force on the charge B on the charge at B will be. Look at this. This is a square. Here the charges are placed. Look at this. This is the Q. This is the Q. This is the Q. This is the Q. Okay, no problem. This is the point A. This is the point B. This is the point C. This is the point. Okay. Now look at this. The force experienced the charge q at B is due to A is directed along this direction. The force experienced by the charge at B due to charge at C is directed along this direction. And these two forces are equal. And in the same way, the force experienced by the charge at B due to charge at D is directed along this direction. Now we have to calculate the resultant of these three forces. Look at this. Suppose this force F. So this force also F. Therefore, look at this. This distance is the root 2 times of this distance. So this force is the F by 2. What is the F? Look at this. F is the, this is the KQ square by, this is the side A square. Okay. Now look at this. This angle is 45 degree. This angle is also 45 degree. So component of this force along this direction, this is the F cos 45 degree. Component of this force along this direction, this is the also F cos 45 degree. So force along this direction 2F cos 45 degree plus F by 2. So look at this net force, this is the F by 2 plus this is the 2F into 1 by root. Now F by 2, this equals to 1 plus 2 root 2. Now look at this, F equals to, so look at this, now F equals to, this is the q square by 4 pi epsilon naught A square. This is the 1 plus 2 root 2 by 2. Look at this. This option is correct. Many thanks for watching this video. This video will be extremely helpful to you for your preparation in NEET, main and advanced. Okay, thank you.